Hello everyone, David here back in another video, and Kim is here with me because today we're gonna be unboxing a mystery box from Lazada. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
Okay, so
first of all guys, I bought this like 3 weeks ago,
yeah,
and then it took that long because it was the holidays when I ordered it.
yeah, I remember I got like a package,
Mm-hmm.
and then it took like 3 weeks before I got it. I was really impatient.
Yeah, so Lazada, you gotta work in your delivery because in the description it says around 3 to 4 days before it arrives here, but it took like 3 weeks. But anyways, first and second thing, we ordered a mystery box, but then it came in this little like plastic bag. So I don't know what we're gonna call it now. Mystery bag.
A mystery bag.
We're gonna call it a mystery bag. Okay.
So
Let's go ahead and open it up and let's see if it's worth 99 pesos. Because this is, by the way, a 99 pesos mystery box.
oh, okay.
Okay, you can do the honors. Use your chin.
My chin is not gonna work. Look.
It's gonna work. Oh,
Nope.
Oh. Fail.
Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna invite it.
Okay, we don't have any knife, so we're just gonna cut it like savages. Okay, we're not gonna look at. Shall we not look at it?
Look at it. No, go.
We're not gonna look at it. Cover your eyes.
Bird box.
Okay, guys, you will be the
Close your
first
eyes.
one.
Close your eyes.
You will be the first one to see this. 1, 2, 3, go. It's down. Oh wait, it's wrapped. So that's good. It's wrapped. So that was a fail.
Okay.
Guys, do you like plastic bubble wrap?
I do.
I
But
love
then
this satisfying feeling from this.
fail.
So they wrapped it in this
Because it's Christmas.
yeah, Christmas. No, wait, I ordered this around Christmas holiday, so it took that long. It's almost the end of January. So anyways, yeah, what's this? Oh, we're gonna check that out later. But first of all, listen to this.
I feel like that's satisfying.
Okay, enough with that,
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna pick that up later.
So,
So
oh, let's just go like this and
should
then.
we rip it apart? Wait, grab something and then open it.
Okay,
Yeah.
wait. Let's do it together.
Wait. Oh,
Okay, let's do it like this now.
1, 2, 3, go. Such a fail. Okay.
Okay, whatever.
What
Here.
is this?
Oh.
Wait, I think it's a cable.
A cable too.
Data charging cable. Worth 99. I don't know how much this costs, guys. I think it's less than 99 pesos, but
But the real question is,
does it work?
does it work?
What cable is it? This is not even gonna work on my phone because I have a Type-C cable. I think this is for iPhones and let me see. Yeah, for iPhones. And it's
Nope.
No, this is-
when she opened it, this flew away. I think it's a pop socket. I don't know. Something like that.
No.
This might be useful.
What is that?
Oh, it's like a magnet for your car. I
Really?
think, but you can see.
Well, first of okay, you know what's the disadvantage?
So you stick this thing. Wait, let me open this up first.
Nope.
So 2 items for 99 pesos, and yeah, I think it's
they're all for phones. So
they're all gadgets. So
I was hoping we'd get like a cheap digital watch.
that's more than 99.
That's why I said a cheap digital.
But anyways, for 99 pesos, I think it's okay. That's like, I think it's okay. Maybe in the near future we're gonna try something more expensive so that we can, you know, even be more surprised. So yeah, if you guys wanna check out this mystery box, or you wanna buy this mystery box, I might get something different from us. I'll leave a link in the description below. And that's it, guys. Till next time.
Nope.
Oh, before we go, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Junfan029, and to Kimmy's channel. The link will be in the description below. She does makeup there, and if you're a fan of it, you can check it out. And till next time, and please go subscribe to her channel. Thank you, guys. Bye. Hey everyone, David here, and
Kim?
Kim here.
Duh.
Kim here, and today, how do I introduce you?
Kim.